Okay, welcome back. Today we just do a shorter test. We set it up with a fully charged battery. It was an 84 volts. When I just left home, did a few 100-meter ride to the warehouse. I set it up, so that's why we have a little bit less. Here it says 82.8 in the moment. But the whole trip is 100 meters, so it's not a lot. We want to see how far we can crank up the watts and see when it peaks out. So we're going to start with a run on 5,500, probably a bit less RPM. So we try to keep the RPMs the same, which makes sense if you're going up a steep hill and it's getting steeper and steeper. And I got to use the handbrake here, the Hayabusa handbrake, and break it down. We're gonna monitor the watts. So we're creeping up a normal slope. Let's see what might be the interesting power here. Let's see what we can see here. So taking the handbrake now. I hope everything is good and visible. Let's see. So we're going steeper. We have 30 cycle, 400 watts. Going up, doing 1 kilowatt, going 1.5 kilowatts, 1.8, 1.2 kilowatts. And let it spin again. So we had a power here of maximum power. It wrote down 3,400 of this trip now. Power average 100. Okay, let's see again what we can do with this test. And we stick on this side for the moment. So still on 11, trying to keep the speed up, RPM. So we are on 2.6, 3 point something. Phew. Temperature is still okay. Eating through the rubber here. 3.8. I'm going to put some more pressure on this system here. So, more pressure on. One more try. Yes, looks better. 2, 3. The sound obviously changed. Yep, kind of touching that. We've moved the whole board a little bit. So I have to fix it a little bit better. Okay, we're back. I just fixed the board a bit better. It moved on the forks a little bit backwards, so I was rubbing on the back side. A little bit more friction. So we had 4.3 kilowatts here. We have a I max of 120 amps. Somebody wants to read it out. Probably that is, I can read it here. So I would say Imax is the maximum current we took. It's set to 160. I think according to absolute max is 160. Maybe that's this value. Okay, and 4.3 max power. So maybe there's more interesting stuff on the next pages. Who wants to read it? Want to read it? Here's more. Still on 81.4. Okay, let's go again. Good. So we raise the speed a bit. See if we have more power if we go a little faster. Duty cycle is on 35 here. Now we're going again. So let's give it one more try. 4.3. Oh, 48 motor temperature. We are on 4.3 kilowatts. On the 20 max. So I'm curious to see what happens if we take a higher speed here. Bring it down. So we're already having the propeller set on a pretty high pitch, so we're already using a lot of amps here. And now we're trying to break it down, reaching 3, 4, reaching 90% cycle, 5. Let's see if we can go faster. 75%, 80%, 90%. Let's go faster. Going with 30 kilometers an hour. Already using 3 kilowatts constantly. And trying to go up a hill. 90% cycle, almost 100. So what can we set next? Faster. We're on max speed here, according to the app, 9.5. Now we're losing some power here. Oh, we have 75%, 77 temperature, so that's quite a lot. So let it cool down a bit. Maybe going on a slow speed. Yeah, coming down from the temperature. And let's check in the meantime what we could achieve on the full throttle. So we have here 5.7 kilowatts, 137, I can read it out, 137 amps. Yeah, we have, it's quite a lot, huh? So yeah, so it was pretty close to probably what it can do on full speed up the hill. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed it. Let it cool down a little bit here. Maybe some other readouts you want to see. So we have here left 78 volts, 70 degrees motor temperature. It doesn't say the max power here. So I would use the app of dyno, but over there I cannot set a continuous cruising speed. I think I cannot. Otherwise the graphs would be interesting. Yeah, so power max 5.703.